Last customer's out. So Luna, congratulations. These are your new keys to your Mercedes-Benz. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna swing around to the driver's side so that way we can get the car started. Make sure.
Okay, hey guys, so I am currently printing out the offers, and one of my new listing, we got over 15 showings in 2 days, and we have 6 offers that's all above asking, because when agents ask me, they're like, hey, we want to put in a full asking price. I was like, don't waste your time, because we have like a lot of offers. So I'm just gonna print out all the paperwork, and I'm gonna meet my seller in 10 minutes. We are pulling up to the gym, and we're gonna get a back workout, and then we are going to get some chicken wings.
Pull workout.
Oh, pull workout. Guess what we're doing?
Am I supposed to guess?
No, you're not. So this is probably the best weather to go shopping for a car. I'll say. It's rainy and it's very cloudy. We are on our way to Cherry Hill.
Is that it?
No, keep holding the camera. Just keep holding it.
Yeah.
So we're just, when we're talking,
Yeah.
it's gonna be like a time clock.
Okay.
So what else do you need?
Oh goodness.
Well, I'm just gonna go grab the deal jacket and.
So we decided which one to go, and we're gonna go eat afterwards.
Right there, pink at the bottom.
Oh, right here.
See that?
Oh. All right, so we've been in the dealership for an hour, and it's 9:30 at night. No one is here. Everybody left. I'm gonna show you guys my car. parked right outside. Guys, this is Vivian. If you ever look for a car, come to Cherry Hill. But the store is closed.
Yep, your last customer is in, last customer is out. So Luna, congratulations. These are your new keys to your Mercedes Benz. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna swing around to the driver's side so that way we can get the car started. Make sure. Oh no!
Oh no, I just came off.
Which one? The keychain?
Yeah,
Oh, it's okay. I'll just get you another one.
this is
Yeah, it looks
unfortunate.
okay. Now go ahead and close the door, throw the heat on. I'm gonna go get another keychain while it warms up. All right?
Okay.
Right back.
Oh, he's so nice. You can't even see. There. Show them the car. Oh.
I'm like
It's a
shivering.
brand new. Here. This is your key.
The batteries are about to go.
Okay, guys. Tom, I cannot trust him to vlog because he's not a vlogger. But I am really excited. It's a gift that I'm giving it to myself for all the hard work that I've done for 2 years. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching the video, and please leave something positive down below. I will see you guys 2020. Bye.